What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be changing the air filter on a 2015 Ford Taurus. So the process should be the same from 2010 and I believe up to 2017. This is a 3.5 liter V6 naturally aspirated. It is not the EcoBoost. I'm going to show you how to change the air filter. So first thing you want to do is pop the hood. So what you want to do first is, this is the mass airflow sensor. So under this plug here, there's going to be a red tab. And what you want to do is you want to pull it out. It won't come out completely. You'll just hear it just click. See, clicked out, and then you unplug the harness. So this is the red tab. When you first open it, it's locked, it's closed. But what you want to do is open it and then squish this and then pull it out, and it comes out just like that. There's gonna be two clips, one clip over here and then one clip over here. And then this, you can pull it out. It might require a little bit of force. So once you get it lifted, just pull it that way. Once you lift it up, pull it that way, and this will be out of your way. And then once that's out of your way, don't take it off completely because it is connected to there. So just let it hang over here. Alright guys, so the intake cover is back on. Just wanted to show you guys how this works. So see how all those three tabs, they just went through the little insert there. See, that one came through from the airbox. Same with that one, and then same with the other one. And the last thing you want to do for starting your car, put the mass airflow sensor in with a harness for it, and then go start your car. That's how you change your air filter on your Ford Taurus. Thanks for watching.